become a better person, not for anyone else, but for your own self. Hello to all the smashing people out there. First of all, thank you for the great response on my previous video.
I really appreciate that.
Well, you all might agree with me that life is like a roller coaster and everyone have their ups and downs. सबकी लाइफ में अपने अलग अलग phases हैं and it is up to us on how we want to handle them. Well, there was a phase in my life when I was a happy kid but unsatisfied with the fact that I wasn't healthy, nor fit, and also a bit overweight. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about my weight loss journey, the diet and exercise plan I followed, and how I was able to shed about 20 kgs. So let's jump into the video. And also, yeah. Video के end में I'm going to tell you about a special protein homemade drink. So stay tuned for that. Before getting into the details, I would just like to say one thing. That all body types are beautiful and we should love ourselves irrespective of our shape and size. It is just my individual choice to lose some weight, and personally I also think that when you are a bit overweight, आप बहुत सी health problems भी face करते हो. So if you think you're fit, then that's not a problem. And this video is for all those who wish to stay fit and lose some kgs. So time for some flashbacks. So when I was in 12th standard, my weight at the time was 78 kgs. Exams ka pressure and with all the sleepless nights, I used to eat a lot of junk. Be it blueberry biscuits, Nutella chocolate, chips. I used to take all such crap.
Like, really?
And मुझे आज भी याद है, like a day before my farewell party, जैसे ही मैं weighing scale पे चढ़ी, and when it read 72 kgs,
I was shocked and I just jumped off that scale.
The first tip, make it a point to keep a check on your weight regularly. मतलब एक week में एक बार तो अपना weight जरूर check कर लो.
It helps you to analyze your body and what are the changes you need to make. It is important, right?
So then it was just after my bows that I decided to join a gym. But honestly, gymming did improve my stamina and stuff, but मेरे weight में as such कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा. But yeah, as I started gymming, I started to bring about changes in my diet plan and reduced junk food like a lot. And I'll be honest that I wasn't really consistent with this. Like during parties
and events, वो तो हम सब करते ही है ना, like we eat unhealthy. So वो मेरे साथ भी था.
But yes, with bringing about a small change, eradicating junk food from my life, I lost about 6 to 7 kgs. Please note that constant gymming wasn't actually helping me. So by then, my weight was about 66 kgs. And again, I decided to switch to a new kind of workout and I started doing yoga. Trust me, people, yoga not only improved my flexibility to a great extent, but also helped me keep fit. So I witnessed a major change in myself. The Surya Namaskar, Chakra pose, shoulder stand, pigeon pose, and many more of them brought about a major change in my body. And just after college, as I started modeling and started working for some designers, that was the time when I made up my mind कि नहीं, now I have to work on my body and I have to bring about a small but important change in my lifestyle. So for that, I started the intermittent fast. It's very famous these days and a lot of videos have already been made on that. But I'll just share my version of it. कि पहले तो ये एक diet plan नहीं है, बल्कि एक food eating pattern है. Also, it is not starving, but actually fasting. And for me, a best way for detoxification. So इसमें we divide our eating patterns into two parts, जिसमें there is one fasting window and the other is the eating window. So it is advised कि आपको 16 hours की fasting करनी है और 8 hours के लिए you can eat what you want. But what you want के इसमें ये मतलब नहीं that you have you take all the unhealthy. So avoid sugar and unwanted fats for sure. So I made it a point कि मैं 5 बजे तक अपना dinner कर लूँ and फिर next day 9 o'clock तक I break my fast with some fruits. You can also have your dinner by 7 or 8 and open your fast by 11 the next day. So initially मैंने 12 hours की fasting की थी because I couldn't really go for the 16. But then eventually 16 hours तक मैंने ये time बढ़ा दिया. And yeah, fasting के time पे you can definitely consume non-calorie drinks. Drinks like black coffee, black tea, coconut water, fresh juice, not the Tetra Pak ones, and whatnot. So अगर आप ये वीक में 3 से 4 दिन भी ये ईटिंग पैटर्न फॉलो कर रहे हो देन इट्स गुड इनफ. सो ये सब करते करते माय वेट केम डाउन टू 61 kgs,
which is fine considering the fact that my height is 5 feet 9 inches.
but फिर हुआ लॉकडाउन. And because everyone was so enthusiastic about cooking new recipes and cooking new dishes and trying out new home workouts, it was then when, along with the intermittent fasting for 3 days in a week, some yoga, I started climbing the stairs. And as I stay on the 16th floor, I made it a point कि मैं 8 से 10 floors तक ऊपर नीचे करूँ. Just a request that this is something which suited me. So if you think it is turning out to be difficult for you or is harming you in some way, then avoid climbing the stairs. You can go for jumping, which is a great way to lose some face as well as overall body fat. उसके साथ I came across a wonderful YouTube channel, The Blogilates. Trust me people, it is a great fitness channel and you have to have a look at that. The exercises done by Cassie are just phenomenal, and the good part is that they focus on individual body parts, so that's an added point. So at present my weight is 56 kgs and I've recently started to follow a diet which is the dip diet, all about eating fruits after you wake up till 12 p.m. and then raw vegetables with your lunch, and also about avoiding dairy products. There are actually a lot of things involved with it. So if you want me to make a separate video on the details of dip diet and also want to know like what I eat in a day, about some good healthy recipes and everything, so then do comment down below. Also a small tip. A major food that helped me during the times when I got really hungry and wanted to eat something unhealthy, it was then when my mom gave me these chanas, the raw chanas, which not only fills my stomach but also really high in protein. You can add some coriander, green chilies and onions and tomatoes, and it's very tasty as well. So, and yes, time to know about the highly rich in protein drink that I mentioned earlier. Drum rolls. Is the Sattu drink. Yes, people. So I either start my day with hot water with a tinge of turmeric powder, or I just add 2 spoons of Sattu powder in normal water, or buttermilk, which is actually a natural source of protein and not only beneficial in keeping you fit but also amazing for your hair. So yeah, that's all in today's video. I hope you enjoyed this segment and hope you like my weight loss journey. So if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, which is Resham Shankar. Love you all.